Would you like to learn how to draw an Among Us turkey? Well, just watch. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you can get weekly notifications of my videos when they come out. And share them with a friend. I'm going to first start on the left side. I'm going to do a curving line all the way down to the bottom of his foot. I'm going to curve that around. Now I'm going to feel out the outside of his visor. I'm going to bring that across the body, curve it up and back over to meet the beginning. All Among Us characters have this large visor. I'm feeling out the curve of his head. I'm now going to work my way down to the bottom of his right foot, and that curves over, and then I'll be working in between the legs. There is a diagonal line as I make both legs. As I clean up with my number 2 pencil and pink pearl eraser, I'm going to go back into the visor and do his shadow part and the part that is the white reflection before I start with the curving line that comes across all Among Us characters' bodies that either becomes a shade or a different color. Now I'm officially giving my character his turkey characteristics, the wattle, the beak, and the feathers. And now I'm going around the outside with my pattern of feathers after doing the backpack, with large feathers and small feathers in a pattern, a symmetrical pattern. After I finish that and clean up a little bit, I'm going to go around and put in stripes on each of the feathers. Now, I was due to make another turkey piece of art, but little did I know it was going to be an Among Us turkey. Until about a week ago, I had no idea anything about the game or characters of Among Us. I was first introduced by a content creator on YouTube by the name of That Art Teacher, and she did a beautiful red Among Us character. And then I just kept on seeing more and more Among Us characters turning up all over YouTube. I saw Pumpkin, I saw Santa Claus, I saw all different kinds of Among Us characters. So I said, nobody's done a turkey. Bingo. Maybe I should be doing a turkey. So that's how we got here. By June 2020, Among Us began popping up on Twitch's most popular games. The first increase in attention came from South Korea and Brazil. Influencers of stream gaming in those countries split the popularity to Mexico and Brazil soon after. Only by July did the United States really take on the Among Us craze. Popular US YouTubers and streamers like Ninja and PewDiePie began playing the game. This sparked a major push to the game's player base that has continued. The history of Among Us wouldn't look the way it does without COVID-19. It was a summer of social distancing and isolation. Still, the game is wonderful because of its developers' attention to detail and passion. The pandemic may have sparked the game's popularity, but this was already a great game. With tabletop elements built for distant age, people can play with their friends even when they're far away. It's a comforting feeling when you're not really sure. We can gather with friends and family to play games. The game hit 1.5 million concurrent players in September of this year. At one point, 3.8 million logged on to concurrently crashing game servers. Nevertheless, Among Us is a very popular game. It's filled with some very interesting characters that lend well to artistic creation. And here's my version, my Thanksgiving turkey humongous character. Have a wonderful, safe Thanksgiving. Please follow all guidelines of your community. Want to see you back here next week. Take care. See you later. Bye.